I'm Kimberly Kay with your entertainment report from MidHudsonNews.com. Kathryn Justin, a veteran character actress who played the crotchety, nosy Karen McCluskey on ABC's Desperate Housewives, has died. She was 72. Justin, who had battled lung cancer for years, died Saturday in Los Angeles. A veteran Emmy-winning character actor, Justin was lauded for her portrayal of Mrs. McCluskey, who kept a close eye on her Wisteria Lane neighbors. The hit show ended its run on ABC last month with the series finale in which Justin's character passed away. Justin also appeared on The West Wing as Mrs. Landingham, the president's secretary. If the character had a high-pitched voice, chances are Dick Beals was speaking for him. He was Gumby, Davy from Davy and Goliath, and Speedy Alka-Seltzer. Alka-Seltzer was one of more than 3,000 commercials Beals voiced. He sounded like a child his whole life because of a glandular condition. His voice hadn't changed since elementary school. Beals has now died. He was 85. John Edwards' mistress, Rielle Hunter, is publishing a memoir about her relationship with the former presidential candidate and their daughter. The book, What Really Happened, is set to be released on June 26th. Edwards and Hunter had an affair while the Democrat was running for the White House in 2008 and have a daughter together, Frances Quinn Hunter. On Thursday, a jury acquitted Edwards on one count of illegally accepting campaign contributions and deadlocked on 5 other charges. He had been accused of orchestrating a plan to use money from campaign donors to hide Hunter while he ran for the White House. His relationship with Hunter currently remains unclear. What's red and white and blue all over in Britain this weekend? Everything. As the country celebrates Queen Elizabeth II's 60 years on the throne, retailers are embracing the Jubilee spirit, doing a roaring trade in tricolor British flags, bunting, and party supplies. Anything with a Union Jack on it is selling like hotcakes, according to Matt Compton, party goods buyer for the Tesco supermarket chain. He said this is the biggest week we have had since the millennium in terms of party sales, with demand far exceeding sales during last year's royal wedding. The patriotic outpouring stems from a mix of affection for the 86-year-old Queen and delight at a 4-day holiday weekend granted for the second Royal Diamond Jubilee in British royal history. Only Queen Victoria, Elizabeth's great-great-grandmother, ruled for longer than the current monarch. In local entertainment news, it's Divas Do the Decades. Tri-Arts, Sharon Playhouse's 13th annual all-singing, all-dancing, all-diva musical extravaganza is slated to open the Tri-Arts 2012 season on June 8th, 9th, and 10th, a departure from its usual end-of-season slot. For tickets, you can stop by the Tri-Arts box office or call 860-364-7469, or better yet, just log on to triarts.net. That's your latest entertainment report. For a new update daily, log on to MidHudsonNews.com. I'm Kimberly Kay.